What's up, y'all? Ron Voyage here. I noticed a lot of protesters out there on the front line were definitely getting hit with rubber bullets. That's also happened across the country, as you've seen in the news and on social media. So I thought I came up with a way to kind of create not necessarily a bulletproof vest, but maybe a rubber bulletproof vest in order to protect your internal organs, because as you can see, those things are nothing to play with. So really simple to make. First thing you're gonna need some Under Armour like this. Something that you would like wear at the gym or something like that. Then also you're gonna need some magazines, like about that thick, not like phone book thick, but it has some nice girth to it, just in case you get hit. At two kind of catalogs, or what do you want to call them? The first issue of Camp that I got at Coachella. I like it because it's also really big, so it could cover a lot of space. Medi-Cal manual, which is, it's trash anyway. And also a hoodie, a zipped up hoodie. You kind of want to have it like skin tight and fit it. You don't want it to be too baggy, to make sure that, it can hold everything in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the Armor like this, right? Put this on. Then you grab your chest plate, right? Grab that sucker, tuck it underneath the shirt like so. And also like kind of nest it. And also you can also tuck it in. So this one's a little thin, so you can actually tuck it into your pants a little bit. You take the thickest part, right? This is going to protect your kidneys, right? Your kidneys, your liver, in case that gets hit, right? Take this, throw that under there. Kind of can tuck the shirt underneath the booklet so it kind of like stays. And take this one for the back, for the spine. Push this all the way up. Tuck the shirt under that. So now, I'm gonna take the hoodie. Zip it, throw it on. You might get hit, might get stabbed, but it's gonna be tough getting through there. You might want to grab you a belt as well. Maybe like an all warm belt to wrap over, just to hold everything in place in case, things start shaking. It does take a little bit of your range of motion here, and it doesn't look like you gain like some Santa Claus pounds, but at the end of the day, we're not here to look pretty. We're here to be safe. I said, be safe out there, guys, and I'll see you on the front lines.